Hello student, welcome to your online classes. Today we will start our English grammar. So today this video for only revision and I will give you some answers because some students have a doubt. So you just check your exercise answer from this video and I will send this picture in home learning also. So today we see the noun. Noun already I explained you, I will not repeat it again, but for a revision I will tell you about a noun. A noun is the name of person, animal, place, thing or quality. All naming words are nouns. For example, alok, girl, glass, iron, beauty, etc. Kinds of noun. Nouns are of 5 kinds: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. So in detail you can read it. And next we see the countable, uncountable nouns. The name of people and things that can be counted are called countable noun. Concrete nouns such as a picture, a pen, teacher, desk, and they can use singular as well in plural form. For example, like a glass, glasses, torches. And the uncountable nouns, the name of things that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. They can be used only in the singular form like fire, smoke, milk, sugar, water, etc. However, we use say 2 bottles of water, 3 spoons of salt, a cup of coffee, etc. Abstract nouns and the material nouns are mainly uncountable nouns. For example, like a courage, fair, etc. Abstract nouns like silver, clay, aluminium. Material nouns, name of materials. Such as words can be used both as countable as uncountable nouns. For like some houses are made of stone. So stone is an uncountable noun. The child threw a stone at me. Stone is a countable noun. The articles a or an can be used with countable noun in the singular form, like a painting, an act, etc. Uncountable nouns are mostly used in singular form. A or an cannot be used with them. We cannot say a brass or an honest. Countable nouns are preceded by the words, phrases like a few, many, several, 2 or 3 in plural form, like a few cows, many countries, 2 bananas, etc. Formation of abstract noun you can see here and read it from your book. You have a book, I hope. And this one also. And this one collective nouns, you read it already, I have taught you. So you read it once again and fill this exercise. This is the last exercise, I am not fill it. You find out this paragraph and fill it here. And this is the exercise which is I fill in the measure column and abstract noun. I hope you clear this. And this is the C exercise. C exercise boxes are there. By mistake the pages is up and down. So no problem. You can see your book and fill it. This one I'm not filled because so many things are there. So this one exercise is very easy. You can do by yourself. And this both are important. So please do it. This one in copy and check the answer. If any correction, so please tell me. Otherwise you find out and do it. Okay. I hope not confusion here in this video. If still any doubt, you can ask to me. Again I will tell you, I hope please do your work on time because we don't know also which date we will give you for your UT second and for your exam also. So whatever the teachers are teaching you, please complete your work on time and do in your copy and book both. Okay, so don't take very lightly. So please learn by one all the things from the grammar book and the course one also. Poem also you will learn it and words meaning also learn it from the course book, and grammar one you will learn this all the things from your book. And whatever be your doubt you can ask to me. Again I will repeat this chapters and again I will explain you, but I don't think so you need it because this is not a new chapter for you. So please read this carefully at home and complete your work on time. Very soon I hope we will meet. So please pray the God it finishes all these problems and we come to school and complete our work. So till then, take care and safe. Take care. Have a nice day.